Just recently, I participated in a product launch as an affiliate. The product was launched over at Warrior Plus, and I made $601.41. I want to give you a little information about this product so you can understand how simple this strategy is and you can replicate it. This is inside of Warrior Plus. The product is called PLR Stack. It is from Chad Elgizer, and Chad is a good vendor over at Warrior Plus, and he does this PLR Stack, as you can see here, going back to 2020. I believe he did it in 2023 as well, but it doesn't show up here. And I participated in this, but this year, what I did is I offered up a bonus. Now, my bonus looks like this. So I'm promoting the PLR Stack, and I'm offering up a bonus, and I want to walk you through the strategy of how this works. Essentially, I take one of my own products and I offer it up as a bonus. It's rather simple. It's really easy to see once you see all the components and all the parts and all the pieces of how the strategy works. And Warrior Plus has this cool feature where you can add your bonus, and then when a person makes a purchase through your link, they can collect your bonus right alongside of the product when they collect it. So you can see here's the PLR Stack. It's actually closed now. This is only open for a short period. It is one of those products that launch and then close, and then you have to wait for the next year to get it. It has real scarcity. There is true scarcity here. It does open and close each year, and then it provides these products. These products are content that you can take. They come with a license, and you can make these products your own. So you go back and look at my bonus page. What I'm doing is I'm providing information, or I'm providing my own products that will align well with the problem that I'm addressing when I offer up the PLR Stack, or I let people know about the PLR Stack and offer up these bonuses to include white label PLR rights to some of my own products. Again, what we're doing here is we're looking at a simple affiliate marketing strategy for a beginner to understand that as an affiliate, you are pinpointing a problem, and when you're creating a bonus, you are pinpointing a very specific problem, and you are creating a simple, smart solution, and then you're going to post that solution for sale. Now, there's a reason that you do that. And inside of my affiliating training, when I talk about the top strategy of generating traffic to an offer and then adding people to an email list to let them know about more offers like this PLR Stack, this launch that happens once a year, what we're doing here is we're focusing on adding a bonus. But I want to take this to the next level and let you see so you can understand that when you create a bonus, the best bonus that you can offer is you, your experience, the things that you know about your topic, the things that you know or understand about the solution that the product that you're offering up as an affiliate, everything that you know and understand about the solution and how it's going to actually help someone, that is what you're offering here. Now, there are some marketing angles, and one of those is showing a value and emphasizing exclusivity. And this is the idea in what you're doing when you create your own product. And like I've done over at Gumroad, I've created these products, and you probably see that these products look very similar. Or if you go back to my bonus page for the PLR Stack, so you understand what I'm doing, these are real products. These reports, these publications that I create to solve a very specific problem that I pinpointed, I post these for sale. So these are actually for sale. You can actually purchase them. They solve real world problems. And then I go to the next level and I offer up access to my product, a product that I created. I offer up white label and PLR rights. Again, going back to this idea that the best bonus is you, or in this case, the best bonus is me. And my angle here is that these products have real value. I am emphasizing the exclusivity, and then I'm highlighting the gap inside of the fact that you're just getting all this PLR content over at the PLR Stack. So again, I'm going back to the simple strategy, and I'm saying, now, what is the strategy? Let's start at the beginning. It's a very simple beginner affiliate marketing strategy. Just like any strategy that you're going to use to offer value or sell a product, you're first going to pinpoint the problem. Then you're going to create a simple, smart solution to that problem that you pinpointed. And then, this is key, you are going to post that solution for sale. Again, like I've done over here at Gumroad, I create these publications, I create these products, I sell them, they are for sale. They also double as lead generation. But note that I am following this simple strategy here inside of affiliating. I am generating traffic. I have picked a topic. That topic is affiliate marketing. That's what I talk about here on 30-Minute Marketing. I talk about the big picture of marketing as a whole, but getting started as an affiliate marketer, and then understanding to use certain tools, tech, and time. I create consistent content, and then I let people know about offers. And in this case, I'm focused on the simple strategy of offering up a bonus for a product that is already a good quality product. And then I'm delivering that bonus based on the fact that I'm going back and I'm saying, look, this is real valuable content. I'm showing the value of my bonus because it has a real world value because I sell them as a real product. And you can only get these. Some of these are only available if I offer them as a bonus because I open and close them. Now, others are available all the time, like this Operation Codex. So I can point to that and people can see that these products are real. Understanding, again, that they are exclusive in this case, but the best bonus is you and the information that you provide, the information that you as an individual have looked at, and you understand the problem. You pinpointed the problem based upon what you understand and know about the topic. And then as you create content to let your audience know about that problem, they understand that you understand, and then they're interested in your thoughts and the way that you are going to solve the problem versus the way that maybe the affiliate product is actually going to solve the problem. And then you and your bonus plus a good quality product just solidifies the fact that this solution is solid, or the strategy that we're putting together here is we are identifying a solution to the problem, which is the affiliate product, in this case, the PLR stack that pops up once a year. Then I follow my proven top strategy of traffic offer people, and I simplify it a little bit by just going straight to the fact that I know I'm going to offer up a bonus, and that bonus is going to help people actually solve the problem they have by purchasing the product that I'm recommending and also getting my bonus to really pinpoint an additional problem or maybe a gap in the fact that they're getting all this content, and I'm going to give them information that they don't have in some of my products or a few of my products, and then even offer up some of my own products, in this case with a license so they can use them as their own content, which is the intent of the PLR stack overall. This goes back to pinpointing the problem, understanding what the solution actually is, and you do this by understanding what the problem is for your audience. And this, of course, is just a topic that you pick to create content here on YouTube about. Now, real quick, if you'd like to understand and know exactly how I create these products, these simple publications that I use as bonuses and how I post them, or how I build a Gumroad store and effectively sell these, use them for lead generation, and also use them for bonuses to make this additional money that I made during this PLR stack launch, go ahead and check out the link in the description. I'll walk you through all of this in an upcoming workshop. You can get all the details at the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.